Hello students, I am Dr. P. Swati, Head Department of Psychology, Osmania University and Principal Investigator, Human Behavior and Development. You all know that understanding human behavior is always fascinating. We want to know and we are very much enthusiastic to understand how we evolve as an individual from a biological being into a social being at different stages of life. Across the lifespan, the human being undergoes number of physical hazards, experiences emotional crisis, tries to adapt to the social situations and also tries to cope with the personal problems. The next question can be, who can take up this course? Though this course is specifically designed to social science students, students from any discipline can enroll for this course. In fact, we are dealing with the human behavior, human development. Everyone has the right to understand how this development takes place and how this development is influenced by the number of factors. So, anyone can take up this course. We can definitely meet in our journey of understanding the human behavior and the development. So, hurry up and let us join the hands together to take up this course and meet there in the discussion rooms. Thank you.